歡迎嚟到尼斯達的英文教室。呢一課係 affirmatives and negatives。先講講 verb to be 嘅用法同埋功能。verb to be 可以用作身份存在、狀態特質、進行式同埋被動語態。一、表示存在或身份。I am a student. She is in the room。表示狀態或特質。The weather is cold. They are happy。構成進行式。I'm studying English. They are playing football。喺 be 後邊加過去分詞，就成為被動語態。例句有：The book was written by him。The house is built of wood。嚟到 to be 嘅 simple present negatives and past negatives。有 I am not。I was not。He is not。He was not。She is not。She was not。We are not。We were not。You are not。We were not。They are not。同埋 They were not。有 simple present affirmatives and negatives 嘅比較，就喺以下嘅表單上邊。請慢慢觀看、思考同埋學習。再嚟一個比較，就係 simple past 嘅 affirmatives 同埋 negatives，有以下表單。請慢慢觀看、思考、學習。嚟到 to have 啦，喺英文裏邊 to have 有兩種用法，一主要動詞，二助動詞。作行主要助動詞肯定好簡單。She has an apple。否定就話 She does not have an apple。當 have 係主要動詞嘅時候，需要加 do 或者 does 嚟構成否定句，唔能夠直接加 not。除咗英式嘅用法，一個舊嘅用法 ，She has not had an apple。助動詞 She has eaten an apple。否定句 She has not eaten an apple。由於 have 係助動詞，所以 eaten 係過去分詞，所以直接加 not 就可以啦，唔需要加 do。嚟到 to have 嘅 affirmatives and negatives 嘅 comparison，睇下有咩用法。有主要動詞同埋助動詞，而佢哋每一個都分別有三個時態。再去右邊睇一睇，就有到肯定句同埋否定句。再之後就呢個表格嘅說明，請大家慢慢去觀察、思考同埋學習。為咗加強記憶，以下係 to have 嘅主要動詞嘅肯定同埋否定嘅表格，請大家細心觀察、思考同埋學習。再講 to have 一次，溫故知新。有三個嘢語法重點：一係第三人稱嘅單數，即係所講嘅得三聲單數；二用其他人稱 I、you、we、they，佢哋一定用肯定句就用 have，否定句就有 do not have。否定句嘅結構，助動詞 do、does 加 not 加 have。注意主要動詞 have 在否定句裏邊保持原形，唔需要加 s。嚟到 to do 啦，我哋會講講 simple present 嘅 affirmatives and negatives。affirmatives 喺左邊，negative 喺右邊。請大家慢慢觀察、思考同埋學習。繼續 to do 啦，想講一個 simple present 嘅 to do，有三個重點：一、三聲單數 he、she、it，其他人稱 I、you、we、they，同埋否定句用助動詞再加動詞嘅原形就可以嘅啦。嚟到 modal verb 喺個表格嗰度，我哋可以睇出唔同嘅 modal verb 嘅架構結構。喺左邊 y-axis 嘅 time frame 同埋 sentence polarity 嗰度有6項，有 present affirmative、present negative、past affirmative、past negative、future affirmative、future negative。而喺 x-axis 我哋嘅白款嗰個簡單式嘅主動、簡單式嘅被動、進行式嘅主動、進行式嘅被動、完成式嘅主動、完成式嘅被動、完成進行式嘅主動同埋完成進行式嘅被動。呢啲大家可以做參考下就得噶啦，就唔需要去記得咁辛苦嘅。係啦，咁繼續請大家觀察、思考同埋學習。以下係講點解係48式。首先，呢個系統係由4個維度加埋一齊，有時間3個，睇 aspect 4個，極性 polarity 肯定否定2個，語態 active 同埋 passive 2個，所以就3×4×2×2，答案就係48啦。咁喺 modal verb 48 form system 嗰度有啲咩係常用唔常用嘅咧？常用嘅就係藍色字，唔常用嘅就係紅色字。由於有3個列唔要，咁所以咧就剩翻6個啦，每一列就有5行，5列有6個，所以咧答案就剩翻30。由於程度同埋時間嘅關係，本課只會講簡單嘅主動嘅時態。Simple affirmative 嘅 past modal 有 modal verb 6個 ，affirmative 嘅 structure，仲有佢嘅 meaning 同埋 example 喺個表格裏邊就可以睇得一清二楚噶啦。有 simple affirmative 嘅 past modals 嘅 key points 核心結構 ，modal verb 嘅 past form 加 base verb，例如 she could swim。最常用嘅 modal 有 could、would、might、may、should 同埋 must。輪到 simple negative past 嘅 modal 有6個 modal verb， 結構就係呢啲 modal verb 加個 not， 再加 verb 嘅 base form 就能夠形成咗呢個模式噶啦，個結構噶啦。咁意思同埋例句就喺表單嘅右邊，請大家慢慢觀察、思考、學習。嚟到 simple negative past modal 嘅 key points， 核心用法用呢個 could not、should not、would not 加 verb 就係一個架構啦、結構啦。推測過去用 must not have、may not 或者 may not 在過去時態方面，may not 比 may not 更常用。could、should、wouldn't 喺狗語裏面係最常見嘅。繼續 key points 2 could not、should not、would not 係最常用嘅，而比較次要就係 may not 同埋 may not。特殊嘅情況底下，我哋用 must not 作為過去嘅推測，要用 must not have 加 past participle 過去分詞。嚟到 simple affirmative 嘅 present modals， 其實佢同 simple past affirmative 嘅 past modal 好相似嘅，只係 modal verb 有少少唔同。 咁 simple affirmative 嘅 present modals 咧，就可能有多四個啦，好似有 can 啦、may 啦，同埋 will。繼續 simple affirmative 嘅 present modals key points 結構就係 modal verb 加 base form，不過呢個 modal verb 咧唔係 past modal verb。例如 She can swim 就一個例句啦。咁主要功能有啲乜嘢？好似 can 就代表而家嘅能力啦，may 就代表許可啦，might 就代表現在嘅可能性，must 就代表必要義務，should 就建議，will 就確定性，would 就禮貌同埋假設，shall 就正式嘅決心。繼續 key points two 有分常用同埋次要嘅 modal verbs。另一方面，呢度學習嘅重點就係學好呢個肯定嘅形式，因為佢最易掌握同埋簡單。如果否定形式只要加 not 就得噶啦。縮寫就係 won't、wouldn't、can't、shouldn't，主要都係用喺口語當中。Simple negative 嘅 present model，我有 modal verb 喺呢條 y-axis 嗰度啦。x-axis 有 modal verb negative form meaning in the present 同埋 example。請留意 negative form 嘅 structure 係由 cannot、may not、might not、must not、should not、will not、would not 同埋 shall not 組成。繼續講解 simple negative 嘅 present 嘅 modals 結構非常簡單，一個 modal verbs 加 not 加 base verb，縮寫有 can't、won't、shouldn't、wouldn't。must not 嘅意思係表示禁止而唔係不必要，好似 you must not cheat。而 don't have to 係代表不必要，may not 都係可能不會，shall not 同埋 shall 係英式用語，喺現代嘅口語中時嘅少用。主要如果要學咧，就學呢四個啦，can't、won't、shouldn't、mustn't。嚟到 simple affirmative 嘅 future modals，有左邊有嘅列就係 modal verb 啦。中間位置就有 affirmative 嘅 structure 啦，同埋 meaning 啦。再右邊就 example，請慢慢觀察，係咁。Simple affirmative 嘅 future modals key points 結構非常簡單，modal verb 加 base verb，通常加時間。另外核心嘅 modal 通常係 will、can、may、must 同埋 should。假設性就係 could、might、would。正式用法 shall。功能範圍就確定性啦、能力啦、可能性啦、必要性啦、建設啦，同埋假設性嘅行動。嚟到 simple negative 嘅 future model，依然都係相同嘅表格啦。請大家留意 structure。嚟到 simple negative 嘅 future models，結構非常簡單，都係 modal verb 啦，加 not 加 base verb。呢度唔再多講啦，因為其實佢同之前 simple present 嘅時候都係差唔多嘅啫。話時話，你哋覺得 affirmative modals 嘅 structure 係乜嘢嚟嘅咧？其實就係 subject 加 modal verb 加 base verb，而過去、現在、未來嘅結構其實都係一樣，唯一嘅分別就係未來通常要加時間標記嚟顯示未來動作嘅發生。同樣地，negative modals 嘅 structure 都係同一個結構，無論佢係過去、現在或者未來，只係我哋喺未來嗰度加時間標記來決定 表明嘅動作係唔係喺未來發生。多謝收看尼斯達的英文教室。本集內容由藍豆教育中心贊助，想英文 grammar 進步，記得撳下邊條 link 睇更多免費資源啦。